somebody pray for me, say, KENNYBLAQ, president, we call you. Ha! I say, amen. I've been opportunity to speak to 2 presidents. The only president I want to follow talk, now Donald Trump, because I know the year waiting they talk, I'm going to make America great again. When I make America great again, Joe Biden is not going to win. Say, we know, we know that everybody in Nigerians are coming home. Yes, they are coming home, they're coming home. But when he prayed for me, say, President, go call you, very distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, 2019, Buhari flashed me. I call him back. I didn't hear you. When I go hear his voice, that man has the calmest voice. I just hear, hold on for the president. Hey, how are you? When did that speed work right here? I said, what am I going to do? He said, what do you we can come with Boo-Boo. I caught the call. I do event. 2 days ago, Tinubu called me. Chakaban. That man's voice sexy. As I hear hold on for the praise, I just hear, as I crack this joke, I see prison. So I see the video everybody. I don't think go jail, go a day, and they come, I said, who is this? He said, what do I do when I'm ready to make a comedy? I said, thank you, sir. He said, KENNYBLAQ, when you do a town hall. Different from. All of us don't die like this. As music, they trend around the world now. Now, we cannot say Wizkid don't close to Tinubu, and we just say, Your Excellency, Your Excellency. I'm not telling you about how you know what I do here. I'm not telling you anything here. Your Excellency, look up on the there is the music. How do these people know me? It is because of my music. My music. Your Excellency, if you want to win this next election, you have to do music. Look at me. I have a band. Yendeba. Even if people know my song, let me try it. As we dey sweet us, as we dey. So, Your Excellency, you have to drop a music. I don't know how to do it. I've never done a song before. So how am I going to sing it? They say, Your Excellency, I will arrange my band. My band and you will compose the song. Eventually in River State. When we get there, we will shock them. I will be the MC. Our next election, we just see Wizkid, we just come. Hey, buddy, settle down. You are shaking your head. You think I'm going to shaking your head. I'm shaking your head. You think I'm going to look at that. I'm bringing on stage our president. But I bet you know. You can call him Jaga. Band, music. Just come. Follow. We are paid for it. Back up.
Jagabon. They call me Jagabon one day. Jagabon. They call me Jagabon one day.
He go come give his speech. Because you are going to jail with me. In a town hall, different from Falafel. My administration is going to make everybody here give a subtraction and not an information. Two, not just
let the poor breathe.
Don't support them.
Let the poor breathe.
We have no responsibility.
Let the poor breathe.
People asking what I will do when I get back to office. I'm delighted to tell you, I'm a big one. First day in office.
First week in office.
Yes.
Hit the ground running.
Second week in office.
Hit the ground running.
Third week in office.
Hit the ground running.
Enjoy your weekend. Ladies and gentlemen, wow, that's my time. I hope you guys.
M.O.P. Laughing Star.
One girl just say make they use doggy, give him 500 million. How much people be they buy from for last election? Person wey want save the whole nation, the full nation, the form na 100 million. You just want do doggy, collect 500 million. I be say if you do cowgirl, you go request for Ikoyi now. Once you get cowgirl, so what you want say, give me the whole Ikoyi. Where we go to stay? Now boys, okay, we now when we say our work normally. Once guys ask us money, say I see what I can do. What do we can do now? Baba. So people there where they use 500 million. No, that's in a room of that. Wait, as in 5, bro. For the first time, 2 wrongs make it right. Because for the girl to expect 500 million for doggy, that's wrong. For Bonner to promise 500 million for doggy, that's wrong. So those 2 wrongs don't make a. Tinubu they rule Nigeria like we get target to. Until I say kill them before October 14. You know nobody come out. October 14. Because you know Nigeria we just dey like orphans. Tinubu they rule Nigeria like who get American passport, Nigeria wants to go there, go collect her. Nigeria nothing they work the way they explain them. This country now the only country they say the land is green, but everywhere red. Everybody had the chook. Nothing works the way they explain it. Do you know that abroad, if you see somebody collapse, if you go beside the person who collapse, you go see what he take when he collapse. The name of the substance now knock off. Knock off, don't knock off. One of my guys don't find sleep. 6 days, no fit sleep. He begin ask, what can I take to sleep? They recommend different things. Somebody say make they drink plenty water. The guy drink water, nothing work. They say, okay, so you have to be exercising. He exercise. They recommend Octalidon. He drink up, nothing. This guy try everything. Nothing work until somebody can recommend Jehovah's Witness book, Awake. As the guy read Awake, he enter coma.
But if you must carry, hear me take place. As you go club, around 12, up to 7 again. Then they hear. I say, 500,000. I know they argue. As we hear the dance, after saying that shall be this. Baby, so how much is it? We say 500,000. Dance, come on. No, don't argue. Around 12, around 2. Go back, the money go reduce. So, baby, how much is it? You hear the game. Well, I love your consistency. You left and came back. I will do 200K. 200K? That's the man! Now we are around 4. So, baby, I don't want to get on the best. Bros, carry me if you carry me. I'm a person thinking. I'm very born me. You guys are like me for us. No answer. Like it's an shower work. And I say how much? Because they were 50,000 naira will be fine. 50,000. That's the one. No need for each other. Around 530. Come me again. So baby, now this one is done. So baby, how much? That and get very emotional. Bro, I'll tell you. Nobody knows tomorrow. Shout out today. If you be president tomorrow. Leave on to your talk. So say how much? Because say where? Just 20,000 naira now. How we find 20,000? That's the money! Around 6:30, everybody don't go. Now PRO they pop clock. So baby, how much for a night? You get what I say? All the night, they don't come. So how much for giving them? No wahala. And I really need money again. Carry me go your house. Just give me money and egg man, chop man, go out. Give me an egg. That's the money.
Those people don't let the talk say, what did D1 see for very dark man body? D1 say one discipline very dark man. I Actually, nobody say one discipline very dark man. When D1 enter Big Brother, you don't say that the Uber man will carry and come, I carry and go back. As he just come, they say, D1, take your load and return. As he one book, now the man say, outside. Hold on, as D1 enter, so that voice when they say D1, that one say, pack your load and leave the house. You don't say they know they see the voice. So D1, you don't, that's it, don't depend, you don't cram that voice, don't define that person since. So this is Big Brother, that voice. So when very that man come, because say, all right. Now D1 say he's the one. You know that? Now that same voice. And you know, now they accuse everybody because the darker side of a man, and when they accuse say they sleep with another man. What if the man is not the one? Even our guy, they accuse him. Say before he feature the girl for skit, he will carry the girl go hotel, carry the girl like that and say, "Unde do." You understand? They accuse the guy. But at the end of the day, all these guys, they might be innocent because social media matter are two-faced. Hold on. Social media matter are two-faced. So if you want to know the truth about social media, the best person to ask is Zik Saloma because he knows it all. Since when they bomb me, I never see one person. If person dress, is when they bomb me, the other person say, all dry. Person go dry, say, this your shoe dry. This your cloth dry. I never see when you see person, you say, when your nose go dry. Zisaloma just change everything. Social media, yes, now social media makes everything on. And now women, they cause all these things. Women, everybody they fight for woman. Even see senator, when they shout, the eyes have it. We don't say for night, they beg one woman, say, can I have it? Everybody, they mess everything up. You know the women are the other people where they pretend to hate soccer for afternoon, can't like the tea for night. In the afternoon, women claim they hate soccer, but every night they play with balls. God have mercy. Social media, everything does spoil this country. This country don't go. Things they spoil for this country, nobody they talk. As I speak to you now, the price of Panadol, they give person a headache. Things for this country don't spoil. Even condom will be 200 before. Condom is now 2,500. Casino, let tell me. Condom now 2,500. Condom don't cost. We cannot even protect ourselves anymore. The price to treat protection can't cost fast who they give the infection. What is the total amount to carry girl for total? Oh no, now 2,300 don't carry girl for total. Before you know you buy it, you don't come out. That day I buy the condom, they tell me say 2,500. I first come out, but I still come back all buy because I was under duress. You know, hold on now. You know, as I say use the condom finish, the condom still here. Because normally I'll be rough rider. Oh, and the side of my nose always so. You know, this Nigeria, the squadron of Nigeria don't go. We don't know who they bother. Everybody na sex. My young day, IBB confess, they donate, give him. He confessed that Abiola win the election. That's a confession. Because he confessed, they go beat him. IBB confessed that they donate money, billions of naira. Do you know they give IBB 17 billion for book where you write? You know how many books I don't read? Are they all 17 million? They give IBB 17 billion. When I hear the money they give IBB, I get high BP. Oh no, Nigeria don't spoil. Nobody is not even talking about all this now just sex. If only we can keep our blockers, then we can focus, see what they block us. Oh, now people just move. Now social media. Do you know my biggest problem now as I speak? That's my biggest problem now. Be say my PIKIN and get fan. My first son. For now, we have everything for YouTube. My PIKIN leave everything for you to go fall in love with Gege. Do you know how long you convinced me to? How long you took me to convince that boy? Say, "Oh, boy, na barrel." Because he told me say that you are doing like that. I said, "Barrel no work. What did they do?" I carry my PIKIN, they go school in the morning, they just meter break, they just resume. And then my PIKIN they from, so I carry my PIKIN, they go school. My PIKIN get mine. They tell me, say, "Daddy, are you sure this is not a financial mistake?" They tell me. My PIKIN, they talk, and I got the child to convince my PIKIN. Say school is, I say, shh, I know is the last word of a fool.
Please, as I'm cracking the jokes, laugh. If I mark your face, Please, I don't want to injure anybody this night. Please, let's know what we are doing. Do you get? I came from the mainland for this. I don't want to wound anybody. Please. So I'm telling the jokes, you laugh. They are just 5. Please, I don't want problem. Do you understand? This is not the actual plan. My younger brother now don't they play ball for Spain. I don't know who sent him. My family WhatsApp group, they don't mute me. I'm the first son. How do I explain to my father that comedy is paying? How many jokes I want crack now to meet up? You know what he pay me? The useless boy do birthday last week. Tell me, bros, I do birthday, you know wish me. I say, really? I should wish you. So if I wish you happy birthday, what about a long life? You think you're going to see it? I will kill you myself. This 10 years I've been doing this. Look at how your wife is looking at me. He doesn't know me. 10 years I've been doing this, from Korodu, and I'll be cracking jokes. Somebody will not laugh. Try me this night. I will wound, because this thing is getting very serious. So, do you know how difficult this job is? All these comedians you see here, you think they do it for passion? If they born any comedian that came here to perform, let them M.O.P not pay. You will see. You think it's all fun? All those people want to see for but not all of them they crazy. So. Some are comedians. So. Comedians go they go out, so they for third million breed, they tell themselves, I went. Do you know that when you come, wait, stop clapping, I don't say I'm tired. This is how they do. They do as if they like it. And this job, very useless job. Oh. They go do like say they like inside hall. After the show, they can't drop you off. The same set of people, when they see you, they say, you're the comedian inside. Nice one, funny, find your way home. So what am I doing it for? 10 years, look at me, I no progress, no movement, nothing. I did do show, I did beg people. I will wound you. Who are you to tell me that? You guys don't know how difficult it is. You see, when comedians come here perform, now they enthusiastic. Comedians come here perform it here. As they go back, everybody they greet them. Guy, nice, why you think those jokes? If a comedians are very close to depression. Oh. Comedian come here crack joke, you know laugh, you don't kill him. Oh. From that door, he's talking to himself. What did I do wrong? I said the lines. And you see those fellow comedians, they are very wicked though. Our fellow comedians, when you perform and you do it, when you go backstage, there's this, you feel the aura in the room. As you go, everybody look, you say, Papa, nice one. When you fail, there's this quiet. That back, there's this peace. As you go, everybody, nobody they talk to you. Nobody talks to you. As you go back, now sign language. Now they take communicate. Very, very useless job. My mama died 2021. I don't know who sent her. Guy, see, if you are here, you want to take your life. Not because of you. Think who won't bury you. Burial is expensive. I go there Thursday, go buy casket. 150,000 for untimely death. I they explain to the guy where they sell casket. Say, bro, this woman died at 51. He say, even if it's 90, it's the same price. People are, you know what? That guy they craze. Person where they sell caskets. Stay with me. Oh. People they craze for this country. Oh. Person where they sell caskets, and they enter a shop, I see for the top of a shop, my year of increase.
M.O.P. Laughing Star.